to make coconut milk and honey mask at home for hair growth. To make this mask, you will need the following ingredients: 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of honey, and a shower cap. Directions: combine the coconut milk and honey in a bowl to make a smooth mixture. Now, massage the mixture onto your scalp and work it through your hair from the roots to the tips. Then, cover your hair with the shower cap and leave it on for an hour or 2. In the end, shampoo your hair. For best results, you have to use this treatment once a week. Honey has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It is an excellent emollient that helps seal moisture and condition your hair. Honey can also heal scalp wounds and burns. When used in combination with coconut milk, it amplifies the milk's positive effects on your hair by sealing in moisture and nutrients. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.